student of class 3. Today we are going to learn about what sink and what float in water. By performing an experiment, here I am taking two balls and filling the balls with water. Here are some objects: leaf, wood, stone, sand and paper. Now I am going to put this thing into water one by one. Leaf, wood, paper, stone, sand. Now you can see that wood, leaf, paper float in water, and the other things like stone and sand sink in water. Do you know why do something float or sink in water? The answer is it because of something called density. If an object denser than water, it sinks, and if an object is less than